has one of these. Wait, I don't know if it's working. B-O-O-B. I just spelled boob. Oh, Makima's gonna love this. This is a boob phone.
The rain, it's so crazy outside right now.
What are you talking about? It's not even raining. It's just cold outside.
Oh, well, do you come here often?
No.
I'm sorry,
Wait.
your face. It looks like my dog that passed away recently.
Wait, you're saying I look like a dog now? First you come into this telephone booth and wait, no, don't cry. Ta-da!
Thank you. It's beautiful.
Like you.
Well, I work at the cafe down the street, so please stop by so I can thank you for the flower.
Okay.
Okay, well, I'll see you soon.
Yeah. I will. And did you know that this phone booth says boobs on it?
Hey, let's have a drink together. 2 coffees, over here, for me and him.
But you work here.
Seriously? We only have customers in the morning anyways. Ta-da! It's a gift to you. It's coffee.
It's so bitter.
You're such a child.
What do you mean coffee tastes bad?
You said you were totally fine with this earlier.
No, it's literally like, it tastes like it's from the gutter. I've had sewer water, I've had barf, I've ate cigarettes. Coffee just tastes bad. Why do people like it?
You're the most interesting person I've met. My name's Reze. What's your name?
Denji?
Denji, I've never met someone as interesting as you.
Oh wait, I actually...
Oh no, I might fall for this girl.
Alright, do you know why the earth is flat? If you take an orange and you pour water over an orange, it falls off the earth.
Right?
So how come the earth can hold so much water? Because it's not round. It's flat. Because like if you were to take water and put it in something flat, you could hold it. So the earth is flat, right?
What about orange juice?
I haven't thought about it that far.
That's where I got your coffee from though, for your butter. When I was looking for the
That's why it tastes so good!
Yeah!
Also
It's my
just because
special
you made
recipe.
it. Oh yeah. What else did you put in there?
Why don't you come by later today and you'll find out.
What?
This is the perfect spot, isn't it?
Oh man, yeah, it is.
My boss told me about this place, so it's a secret, and we can watch the fireworks in peace.
Wow, it is really pretty, Reze.
Denji, run away with me. I can give you a happier life, and I can protect you. Please.
Hold on, Reze. Where would we even run to?
I know some people. They can protect you from the public safety creeps. We'll have to hide away for a while, but we can go to school afterwards.
You'd really do all that for me?
Is it an obvious? It's because I like you. Wait. You must hate me, right?
I like you! It's just, things are going good at work now, and, you know, I've been making a wage, and I get to eat food, and I even have, like, a goal to work towards. Is there any way that I would be able to still go to work and see you?
You must like someone else. I'm gonna take your heart now, okay?
Get down, Mr. President!
Boom.
A brawl is surely brewing.
Here's another one.
You know, you're a really great dancer, Reze. I hope I get to see you at the cafe tomorrow.
Denji, you're stupid. I'm going home.
What?